Assalamu alaikum, dustoni aziz. My name is Keith Simmons. I have the privilege of being the first mission director for the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID, in Tajikistan. I have come to Tajikistan from my most recent assignment with USAID India. I have never been in Central Asia before, and I am truly excited to see the beauty of Tajikistan, meet our partners in the government and civil society, and work with them to achieve a brighter future for Tajikistan. On September 30th, 2020, USAID's Acting Administrator John Barsa announced the establishment of a new bilateral USAID mission in Tajikistan. The launch of the new USAID mission at the U.S. Embassy Dushanbe marks the next step in deepening the partnership between the United States and Tajikistan. I am proud to be part of the U.S. government's efforts to help Tajikistan develop better education and public health services for its citizens and become a leader in producing renewable energy, all with the goal of ensuring a better life for Tajik families. We are also helping combat the health and economic effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. To date, USAID and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have provided $7.5 million in assistance to improve laboratory systems and operations, create employment opportunities for displaced workers, provide food support for the most vulnerable, and more. We will get through this crisis together. Tashakur baroy, hamkuri va shariki.